Hi, my name is Chris with Toyota Bountiful, and I'm here bringing you the 2023 Sequoia Limited. On the front of the Limited, you have your gray metallic grille surrounded by chrome with your optional blackout emblems. Just below that, you have a camera for your 360 view, as well as a radar for your safety senses. Even lower than that, you have parking sensors. And moving over to the side, you have your LED headlights. Now coming over the side, you have your automatic power folding mirrors equipped with blind spot monitoring. Just under, you have a camera that helps with all your panoramic views. On the door handles, you have keyless entry system. With the touch of a button, you can unlock or lock your vehicle. You have your running boards, and coming down to the wheels here, you have your 20-inch alloy wheels surrounded by your gray metallic fender flares to match with the front. Now coming around the back, you have parking sensors. You have your easy cargo access, as well as kick-activated liftgate. Now looking into the back of the Sequoia Limited, you have automatic third row power seats with adjustable for more legroom or for more cargo space. And speaking of cargo space, there's actually adjustable cargo shelves for better cargo management. On the inside of your Limited Sequoia, you have your heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated front seats. You have your 14-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have your HomeLink compatible rear view mirror, as well as my favorite feature, the panoramic sunroof. Well, I've enjoyed showing you guys the 2023 Sequoia Limited. If you guys have any questions or would like to purchase one, please give us a call.